Hello, and welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your favorite channel for diving deep into the world of words. Today, we're exploring the intriguing word fastidious. So, what does fastidious mean in English? Fastidious is an adjective used to describe someone who is very attentive to detail and concerned with accuracy and cleanliness. According to the dictionary, fastidious can describe a person who is meticulous or hard to please. It's often used to indicate a high level of care and attention. But let's not stop there. There are many synonyms for fastidious that you can use to add variety to your speech and writing. Some of these include a meticulous, exacting, scrupulous, punctilious, and a particular. Each of these words brings a slightly different nuance to the table. For example, you might say, she is meticulous about her work, to emphasize her attention to detail, or he is very scrupulous in his research, to highlight his thoroughness. And that's a wrap on fastidious. Enhancing your vocabulary is a fantastic way to improve your communication skills and express yourself more precisely. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting word explorations on Thesaurus Thrive.